Yuck, I hate all the products served in the student vending machine like this one, all the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute, idea, ding ding, I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome, I found the staff vending machine in this teacher's lounge, and yay, it serves real soda, let's buy something. Yay. I just bought real soda. Oh hell no. I'm busted. It's Principal Eric.
Dark the office clerk. I saw footage from the security camera that used the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you will be really mad, but yes. I did.
Dark the office clerk. How dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You are now suspended for 14 weeks. Get out.
Dark the office clerk. I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those vending machines are restricted for your school teachers and administration only.
But the office clerk. The soda in the student vending machines tasted gross.
I don't care. You're grounded for 30 weeks. Go to bed now.